I've always thought that men were slime, and every guy I've met has proved me right. Until tonight. Just when I thought I had it figured, that life's a game you cannot win, he comes in and changes all the rules. What I've been taught, I learned the hard way, that life and love are never just. And if you trust, you're just one of the fools. And now I can't believe my heart is saying don't resist him, that I've been on my guard too long. I can't believe my heart surrendered when I kissed him and told me all I thought I knew, as sad but true is wrong. If life is worth the disappointment, I hadn't seen one reason yet, until I met the boy who smiles for free. Upon this earth, there's no one like him. He sees the girl I long to be, making even me believe in me. And now I can't believe my heart has overcome my senses to help me see that he's the prize. I can't believe my heart says tear down all your fences, that everything you want and more is right before your eyes. I can't believe